Okay, hi children. Okay, in before video we discussed about the quantum numbers. Okay, there are four quantum numbers. Okay, first principal quantum number and angular momentum quantum number, and third one is magnetic quantum number. We discussed about it, but a small one quantum number only remains there. That is spin quantum number. Okay, spin quantum number is denoted with ms. But before only three quantum numbers only proposed. After that, some more properties to discussing the properties of the electron. Okay, we introduced the spin quantum number. Okay, it is denoted with ms. Okay, I already now only I told you it tells us property of the electron. Property of the electron. That means you see, suppose you take sodium vapor lamp. Okay, we know that in before time, in olden days, we are using that only for street light. Now we got LED light, but that time we are using only sodium lamps only. The yellow color lighting will become out from that. Suppose if it is releasing like that only light energy, after some time, if you are observing by using the microscope, electronic microscope scopes, then they appear another line also. Okay, that means there is some confusing. Which electron is yellow color and which electron is dark? That two colors will be there, light yellow and some dark dark yellow, like that. Two lines are observed. Okay, what is the reason? For that explaining, okay, introducing the spin quantum number. It tells us the directional orientation of the electron. Directional orientation of the electron. Okay, that is only property of the electron. Okay, how is it? Suppose orbital. Already I told you we have to draw one orbital in one box. Okay, s orbital is one box. P orbital we are drawing three boxes. Okay, and d orbital we are drawing 5 orbitals, and f orbital we are drawing 7 orbitals, like 7 boxes. We know that. Okay, then now you come to, in one orbital only maximum 2 electrons only can fill. Okay, in this p orbital, in this is one orbital, in this is one orbital, this is one orbital. These are equal energy orbitals, which is called degenerate orbitals. Already we discussed that. Okay, px, py and pz. Okay, like that, d also there, 5 orbitals are there, each one filling 5, 5, 5, 2, 2, 2, each one, totally we can fill up 10 electrons in this orbital, d orbital. Okay, after we will discuss about it. Now you come to spin quantum number. There are two, if there are 2 electrons in one orbital, then one indicates to plus of. Okay, another indicates to minus of. That only for indication only, for remembering only we are writing plus of and minus of. These two will be there in one orbit. That's why of we will take there. Somebody is confusing. Why are you, madam, taking plus of, minus of? Why will not take plus 1, minus 1, like that? That means that plus of and minus of are, these 2 electrons are in one orbital only. Okay, that's why you are taking like that. Okay, if this plus indicates to that electron moving in clockwise direction, like a clock revolving, no, like that only revolving, clockwise direction. Okay, shows the plus of. Okay, another, this minus indicates to, but here energy total all equal only, this is also electron only, that is also electron only direction only changes here. That's why you are taking. Another one is revolving in anti-clockwise, that is minus of. You take here, if one electron revolving clockwise, another must be anti-clockwise only. Okay, that's why you are taking plus of and minus of, like this. Okay, this indicates to direction of clockwise, minus of indicates to anti-clockwise direction. This is about the spin quantum number. That means we are writing S is equal to plus of. Plus of means that electron revolving in clockwise. S is equal to minus of. That indicates to anti-clock of clock direction of the electron. Okay, do you understand this? Okay, now I already told you in before video, that is separately I am telling you shapes of the orbitals. Okay, shapes of the orbitals. Okay, now you take s orbital. Shape of the s orbital is spherical. That electron moving like a spherical lemma, like this. Spherical means like a ball. Okay, that we are drawing x, y, z. It is the shape of the s orbital. And p orbital, spherical in shape. Okay, and p orbital. Already I told you p orbital means there are three suborbitals. Okay, three suborbitals, that is px, py and pz. Okay, then px we are drawing x, y, z. Very simply we draw like this. Dumbbell. Dumbbell in shape, the p orbital shape is dumbbell. Dumbbell shape. This is డమరుకము ఎలా అయితే ఉంటుందో that like. This is the px. And py. Okay, this x, y, z and py we are drawing like this. Very simple this one. Pz this one. Pz. Okay, see pz. And py. X, y, z. Along the y axis we are drawing. This is the pz. These are the shapes of p orbitals. Okay, do you understand? Now listen. Next, what are the shapes of the d orbitals? How many degenerate orbitals are there to d orbital, ma? P orbital. How many boxes you have to draw for this? 5. I already told you. 5 boxes we are drawing. If there are 5, that is indicates to d orbital only. Okay, don't forget it. And what are those? dxy, dyz and dzx, dx square minus y square and dz square. These are the names of the p orbitals. These are having only same energy only. Energy is not different. Okay, same energy only. But like this indicate. How can you draw it? You see, you take here dxy, xy plane you have to take here. Plane means is very simply leave the one x before. Okay, keep names first, x and y. If you want to draw dxy, name like this, x and y. Okay, draw the loops, loop like this. Okay, and z is there, no? Z draw like this lines. Then that means there is no any that means we left z. It indicates that we left z. Okay, suppose if you want to draw yz, okay, before only write here y and z, you leave x. Okay, then you draw. It is the simple method. Somebody is confused. This is x. You leave x. Okay, then another one, and if this is zx, that's why x and z you draw, and draw like this and leave the y. Okay, this is, you see here which place you taken x and y only, no? That's why dxy. And here you taken only d, y and z only, and here you taken d, x and z only. You left here y. Okay, that's why you have to take. And dx square minus y square, very simple this one. You see, you take here, this is x, this is y. Okay, leave z. Okay, then double time you have to draw. This is the simple method. Okay, and you leave z. Okay, you leave z. And dz square. Okay, suppose this is x and this is y, this is z. You take like that. Okay, z 2 times have to draw. This is d x square minus y square. This is the z square. This is the some simple methods to draw the d orbitals. Thank you.